Hey there, you're going to ask the question, why another unboxing? Well, let's see if I can answer that for you. Now in here, kind of sealed up. And you're going to say, what the heck did you buy now? Well, there's the tag. I don't know if you can read it or not. But what I got here, I bought another whole complete cover for my Hayward MaxFlo VS 420 pump. Now the reason I do this, okay, and it's going to make a lot of sense to you in a minute. There's the complete pump, cover, O-ring, everything that we're going to need to put a new cover on the top of this. Now, the reason I do this is I do have some parts downstairs. I'm going to end up using a hole saw, and I'm going to cut a hole in the top of this, and I'm going to mount a gasket behind here on top of here. So like I was saying, I've got some extra parts, and this is going to be one of the parts I'm going to use. We're going to be drilling a hole in this cover, and then this is going to go on there, and then this is going to secure it in. And I'll show you what this is. All right, we've got two gaskets. This is going to screw into the center of this. Obviously there'll be thread seal on it. So imagine a hole in the middle of this that this will fit down through. It's actually a hole that this is going to fit down through. So that'll be flush. That'll be flush with the top of the cover. This then is going to use thread seal, so it's airtight. Okay. Now that's going to be mounted. There's a gasket that'll be sitting against here. And on the underneath side, there's going to be a gasket down here. And that's all going to be screwed together tight. Now, the reason I do this is because I did get a new pump this year. And when it comes time to close the pool, maybe in like 3 weeks or so, I'll have this extra cover ready. And this extra cover, what I'll do is I'll hook up my cyclone blower through a pool hose on this, and that will allow me to blow the air right out of my whole system, right through the pump. And that's exactly what this is for. So let's take a walk outside at this point. And we're going to eyeball this. We're going to eyeball this with the new with the new pump, just to make sure it's the same size. It's been a lousy day today, gray and rainy, but it's just stopped for a little bit. So let's go over to where the pump is and let's get an eyeball on it. Actually, it's still spitting out a little bit. Yeah, it's been a little chilly out today, so the heat has been running most of the day. And that's okay. Keeps the water warm. All right, here's my pad set up over here. There's the cover on the new pump. All right. And that looks like it's 100% match up to that. You wouldn't even know that cover was on there unless I did this. Okay? Same stuff on it too, look. Same designs. So this will be perfect. I will make another video showing you how I put all this together. So thanks for watching.